Diets that are vegan and vegetarian are growing in popularity. People who choose a vegan lifestyle tend to be happier and more productive at work. Many people also choose to live a vegetarian or vegan diet. Some people make this lifestyle choice for a variety of reasons, including their health, concern for the environment, and attitude toward animals. Vegan choices are increasingly becoming available at numerous eateries throughout the world as vegans attempt to become more mainstream. Beef, hog, lamb, and other types of red meat are off limits to vegans, as are all other animal-derived foods. Vegan people also never eat poultry, including chicken, duck, and others, fish or shellfish like clams, mussels, and crabs' eggs. Vegan also staying away from dairy goods including milk, cream, and ice cream. No mayonnaise, because it includes egg yolks, and honey is not included their diet. Varieties of delicious and fresh food for you are included in our vegan menu in Afsan Farm Kitchen. Thank you for supporting us by subscribing to our channel and leaving comments.